For children, the natural world can be a place of wonder and discovery. It offers room to run, of course. But it also offers space to think and dream, and the opportunities to learn outdoors, to make most of all there is to see and hear and touch. Endless for a child.
Oh my God!
Yet often in our modern world, it's not as easy as simply sending children out to play. This Learning Child program looks at schools that are introducing children to the natural on terms that are meaningful to them.
Look straight up in that
And that can help establish a lifelong connection to a place of joy,
Oh, look inside!
adventure, and growth.